Okay, so the dog that we saw, the police are here and
there.
like now they're taking him.
Oh.
Like so. We named it Wolverine.
You named it Wolverine. What the heck?
Oh no.
Thanks a lot. It's all your fault.
Those idiots. Here, you want me to get him?
No.
Isabel. Yeah.
Yeah, you are cute.
Yeah, I am.
Come on, move it.
Doggy.
What the heck? Those people.
Those people, be quiet.
He won't go in the car.
Do you need my help?
What I really need is like a piece of bread.
At least you got close to it.
Where did it go?
Do they need help?
It's not a wolf.
What do you got? Got a piece of bread?
If it were a wolf,
It's not a wolf.
if it were a wolf, it would be like growling at them.
It's not a wolf.
It's a beautiful dog. We broke
She
his
said that she saw
escape from the house.
lost dog sign at the Fox Lane,
Lane. It looked
and it looked
exactly like
exactly
that.
like that.
He doesn't.
Should we go Fox Lane and see if it's it?
No.
She said it looks exactly like that.
Where did the dog go?
They're gonna see if they can give a piece of bread. He won't go in the car. What if
He
they
licked
What
us.
if they put Hachi in the car?
He licked us. We could have grabbed him.
I would hate to see him go to the ASPCA. You know, maybe the owner is nearby.
Where's the dog?
I don't know. I have candy in my pocket.
It's chocolate. Dogs and chocolate.
No.
Oh,
Over there probably.
I don't know. Mr. Yes, duh.
I don't care. I got him.
No, you won't, Isabel.
Don't get close to me.
Shut up.
Oh, I don't think he likes cheese.
Oh my God.
Don't let him run away. Well, that's how boys are. They say things like that.
Stupid.
Don't watch it.
Okay.
Why don't they just grab him by the neck or something? Because he's
Stay. Don't follow it.
He's not gonna get in the car.
Yay! But I don't want him to go away. And the doggy is going.
Should we make them shut up?